This week's edition of Frequently Asked Questions Friday, we are going to be discussing online documents and DIY estate planning documents. DIY, and even more specifically online DIY documents, are a pretty hot button issue in estate planning. And to be perfectly honest with you, throughout the course of my career, I have very, very rarely seen appropriately drafted plans that come from these online services and also from just ordinary DIY estate planning creations. There is a trend, however, in people trying to do their plans this way, and it makes a lot of sense. We're used to going online and communicating with people. We're used to doing online shopping, so why would we not be able to do some of our estate planning through online generation? It makes a lot of sense. So things have changed a little on this front as well. And the major change in this is a service that's called Eterna, to which Cardinal Estate Planning is a part of. And the difference between Eterna and other online document generation services is that the attorney is actually a part of the process. And so we offer online document generation at this point, and we're excited to let you know about this through our website. And so if you wanted to do this, you would go and click on the Eterna badge on the website, and then you would be guided in terms of creating your estate planning. It's only for basic planning, so it's only for wills and power of attorney based plans. It's good to use in a pinch. It's good to use when the plans are not all that complicated. And then afterwards, once the interview is completed and you've gone through that process, then we will review the plan. So this is a major difference between other online document generation services, because at the bare minimum, I will review the plan if it comes to our office through our Eterna page. And also you have the opportunity to come in and have the signing conducted here. So the two main problems I've seen with do-it-yourself plans, and more specifically the online document generation plans, is number one, the forms are old, in particular with the powers of attorney in Pennsylvania. So through Eterna, you certainly won't have that problem because you'll be getting the forms that we use here. Number two, there's typically issues with failure to name successor agents, people who would take over after the primary agent is not able to do that in the power of attorney, or failure to go far enough in naming beneficiaries in the will. Also, one of the major issues that we see is execution problems. What I mean by this is the documents aren't executed in accordance with law, and this is another question that can be answered through Eterna, because if you do choose to prepare a plan through Eterna, through Cardinal Estate Planning, we offer in-office signings for those documents as well. So we will make sure that the documents are executed properly if you choose that option. If you've got a question, we would love to hear from you. Please leave us a comment on Facebook, send us an email, or otherwise get in touch with us so that we can answer your question. Thanks.